Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also really emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. We live in a time in the world where if you're doing anything less than grinding 24/7, you're led to believe that you aren't doing enough. This leads to a lot of dissatisfaction when it comes to your own life in comparison when you check on social media and see what everyone else is doing. The reality is, as a content creator, we're pushed to keep switching it up so we can keep our audience interested and always film the exciting days so y'all don't get bored. But the reality is, I'm a pretty boring person. I just happen to film and document my life to share my repetitive journey with you guys. I will say not all journeys are linear, and my journey has ups and downs just like everybody else's, but the base and core of my videos and what I promote and who I am and what I do stays the same. I don't want to get stuck in this perpetual loop where I'm trying to come off as more interesting than I am or come off like I'm the type of person that has something different, new, exciting, and interesting happening every single day. I think we try to escape the monotony so much that sometimes we forget to see the blessing in the little day-to-day stuff. When you're in a space where you're constantly stimulated by the content you watched, by the music you listen to, or even video games, regular day-to-day life can feel a bit dull. Constantly chasing something is exhausting, mentally, emotionally, and physically. And society puts me in a space where I feel like I should always be running towards something or pushing myself in one direction or the other. So much so that I get lost in what I could be or in a future that doesn't even technically exist yet. And my point with saying that is I get so lost in the future and what could be that I forget to be in the moment and to be present. I do try to talk about presence a lot because I feel like it's important, and with life constantly happening, it's easy to get caught up in one thing or the other and to forget to be in the moment when you're worried and anxious about the past and simultaneously planning and plotting for the future. I work out at Planet Fitness, a gym that has more memes made about it than Will Smith, but it suits my needs and works for me. I don't go to an expensive gym whatsoever. I go to an affordable one that's only 2 minutes from my house. I don't constantly do new fitness wear hauls every time Gymshark drops something. And to be straight up, I don't really have the money or the space to be buying stuff every single week when something new comes out. This leads into an entire discussion on overconsumption, which I won't go into, but definitely check out this incredible video by Tiff Ferg. She does a really great and thorough deep dives on many topics in her series Internet Analysis. Anyway, I'm a normal person just trying to lead a healthy lifestyle. And my dream is to inspire other people to do the same, even if that looks different than the way I choose to live a healthy lifestyle. But I do get lazy sometimes. I get lost in a scroll, I procrastinate, I mess up, I make mistakes, I trip, I have my down days just like everybody else. Some days I love what I see in the mirror and who I'm becoming, and other days all I see are the mistakes I've made and the work I still have left to do. Anyway, I've come to the point to realize that a lot of my vlogs may get a bit boring, but I've also come to accept that I'm not for everybody. But the main reason I wanted to make this is to remind you that we're all human beings. And while I'm sure we're all extraordinary in our own individual ways, I wanted to be a reminder that it's okay to be normal. It's okay not to always have a lot going on. It's okay to live a calm life where you're not constantly chasing the next trend or searching for happiness or peace outside of yourself, when truly peace is best found from within. One of my favorite quotes is, "Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why it's called the present." A big part of my message is just wanting to show up authentically. I want to say that us normal people are still winning. The same routine I do nearly every single day may be boring to someone else, but it brings me a lot of peace. May this video act as a reminder to you, me, and anyone else listening that in a world full of people, never be upset for being you and choosing what feels the most aligned and beneficial to your mental well-being, your physical well-being, and your soul even. This is just a quick little video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to drop me a comment down below, like and share. Really appreciate all your support. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.